In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to rotate a video in VLC Media Player step by step. This is perfect if your video is playing sideways, upside down, or just at the wrong angle and you want a quick fix using free software. VLC is one of the most popular media players in the world, and it has built-in tools that let you rotate videos in just a few clicks. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software how-to guides. All right, let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. This works the same on Windows, Linux, and macOS with only minor layout differences. Once VLC is open, go ahead and open the video you want to rotate. You can do this by clicking Media in the top menu and choosing Open File, or by simply dragging and dropping the video directly into the VLC window. As soon as the video starts playing, you're ready to adjust the rotation. Next, look at the top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Effects and Filters. This will open a new settings window where VLC keeps all of its advanced video and audio controls. Don't worry if this looks complicated at first. We're only going to use one small section. In the Effects and Filters window, click on the Video Effects tab near the top. Once you're inside Video Effects, you'll see several sub-tabs. Click on the one labeled Geometry. This is where VLC allows you to change the orientation, rotation, and alignment of your video. Inside the Geometry tab, you'll see a few different options. The most common and easiest one to use is Transform. Go ahead and check the box next to Transform. As soon as you enable it, a drop-down menu will become available. Click on that drop-down and choose a rotation option, such as Rotate by 90 degrees, Rotate by 180 degrees, or Rotate by 270 degrees. This is perfect if your video is sideways and just needs a standard rotation. If you need more precise control, there's another option right below Transform called Rotate. Instead of using preset angles, you can check the Rotate box and use the circular dial to manually rotate the video to any angle you want. This is especially useful if the video is only slightly tilted and not perfectly sideways or upside down. Once you're happy with how the video looks, click the Close button at the bottom of the Effects and Filters window. The rotation will be applied immediately, and you'll see the corrected orientation as the video continues to play. On Windows and Linux, there's also a useful keyboard shortcut you can use while adjusting playback. Press Shift and S at the same time to quickly stop playback if needed while making changes. This can make it easier to fine-tune your settings without the video constantly moving. It's important to note that this method rotates the video during playback in VLC. If you want to permanently save the rotated video as a new file, that requires an additional conversion step, which I can cover in a separate video if you're interested. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. And that's it. You now know how to rotate a video in VLC Media Player using the built-in tools without installing any extra software. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.